Welcome to Cleanova Laundry Pickup and Delivery. Let me show you how easy it is to place an order using your phone. Just 1 minute in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Homepage. Start on our homepage. Tap on the address section to begin your booking. Step 2. Schedule pickup. Enter your pickup address. Choose your preferred pickup date. Select a pickup time and a delivery time that works for you. When you're ready, tap Continue. Step 3. Personal information. Next, enter your personal information. Add your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. This helps us contact you if needed. Please take a moment to review the important notice. If you have special requests, such as detergent preferences or buzzer details, you can add them here. This step is optional. When everything looks good, tap Submit Order. Order confirmation. That's it! We've received your order. Your order is now pending approval. Here you can see your pickup date, pickup time, delivery time, and address. Once your order is approved, you'll receive a confirmation email. You can manage your schedule at any time, or return to the homepage to place another order. Fast, simple, and reliable laundry pickup and delivery. Cleanova takes care of your laundry, so you don't have to.